Hey friends, welcome to DR Nursing Classes. Today's my topic is amenorrhea, presented by the DR Nursing Classes. Amenorrhea definition. Amenorrhea is defined as the abuse of the menstruation, and amenorrhea is the term describe the abuse of a woman's menstruation period during the age when the woman reproductive. Note pregnancy and the lactation can causes amenorrhea. Next one is the types. Main two types of the amenorrhea: primary amenorrhea and secondary amenorrhea. The first one is the primary amenorrhea. It means the failure of the mens for the first time by age of the 16 years. Secondary amenorrhea, the absence of the mens for 3 cycles or the 6 months in the women who have the previously menstruated regularly. Next one is the causes. Amenorrhea's causes, a larger variety of the disorder involving the hypothalamus, pituitary, ovaries, thyroid or adrenal gland can lead to the amenorrhea. The amenorrhea can be a side effect of drugs and discontinuation of oral contraceptive, but many of the causes overlap. Next one is the amenorrhea causes. The primary amenorrhea causes are the extreme the weight gain, congenital abnormalities of the reproductive system. Then third one is the stress, excessive exercise, eating disorder, polycystic ovarian syndrome, hypothyroidism, tumor syndrome, then improvement hymen, and chronic illness, pregnancy, cystic fibrosis, congenital heart disease, then ovary or the adrenal tumors. Next one is the secondary amenorrhea causes. The breastfeeding, eating disorder, emotional stress, malnutrition, pituitary ovary and adrenal tumors, then depression, pregnancy, hyperthyroidism, then hyperprolactinemia. Then rapid weight gain or loss, chemotherapy or radiotherapy, Vegas excessive kidney failure, causing disease, colitis, then tranquilizers or the antidepressant, then postpartum pituitary necrosis, then early menopause, the ovarian failure. The next one is the clinical manifestation. Clinical manifestation, first one is the absence of the mens, and second is the symptom of the underlying the causes. Weight gain or the weight loss, then acne, hair loss, the increase of facial hair growth, then headache or vision changes, then pelvic pain. Next one is the diagnostic evaluation. Diagnostic evaluation, the assessment of medical assessment should include the history of the etiological factors. Then physical examination for the nutrition status. Third one is the weight, height and vital signs. Then sign of the eating disorder. Then androgen the excesses, for example facial hair and acne. Next one is the daily puberty, absence of the facial hair and the axillary hair. Then laboratory test for the urine pregnancy test, then thyroid function test, the prolactin level. If high level of FSH, they indicate the ovarian failure. If high level of the LH, indicate the gonadal dysfunction. Then laparoscopy and SCT scan. Next one is the management. Amenorrhea management. The first one is the primary amenorrhea. To treat the primary amenorrhea, then correct the underlying the causes. Estrogen the replacement therapy. If pituitary tumor treatment with surgical resection, the radiation and drug therapy. Surgery to the correct abnormality of the genital tracts. The second one is the secondary amenorrhea. To treat the secondary amenorrhea, cyclic the progesterone the promocertificate to the treat hyperprolactinemia, then thyroid hormone replacement. Next one is the nursing management of the amenorrhea. The nurses will the counseling and the educated patient. The address will the device causes of amenorrhea, possible infertility. Inform the woman about the purpose of each diagnostic test. Next one is the sensitive listening, the interviewing and presenting treatment option. Next nutrition counseling, then MPS the healthy lifestyle. The next point is the teaching guidelines for the maintaining healthy lifestyle. The balance energy, the epidemic with the energy intake. Then modify the diet to the maintain ideal weight. Then avoid exercise, use of alcohol and the mood altering the sedentary drugs. Then avoid the cigarette smoking. Then identify areas of the emotional stress and the seek the assessment to the resolve them. The balance work, the reaction and the rest. The maintain a positive outlook regarding the diagnosis and the prognosis. The participants in the ongoing are to the monitoring the replacement therapy or the associated the condition. Maintain bone the density through. Then the calcium intake. Then weight bearing the exercise. Minimum 30 minutes or more daily. Daily exercise. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.